Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment. It comes built into web browsers, allowing them to run and execute JavaScript directly on the web. Still, it's a good idea to install Node.js on your own system, as this gives you the ability to write and test flexible JavaScript applications locally. So how do you install it? First, head over to Node.js.org. In the navigation bar, click on Download. You'll see different versions. I'd suggest going with the LTS version, as it's more stable. Scroll down and click the Windows installer to get the setup file for Windows. Just make sure you pick the correct architecture that matches your system. If you're using a different operating system, simply select yours from the drop-down menu. After the download finishes, double-click the installer to begin. Click Next, go through the terms and conditions, and then hit Accept followed by Next again. You'll have the choice to change the installation path, but I recommend sticking with the default directory. It makes things simpler. Keep all the settings as they are, click Next, then check this box here and hit Next again. Finally, click Install to begin the installation. Once the installation is complete, open the command prompt by pressing the Windows key +R, then typing cmd. In the prompt, type the command bash copy edit node-v. If you see a version number in return, that means Node.js was successfully installed. From here, you can start writing and running JavaScript right in Node, or you can launch Visual Studio Code and begin building your next web app.